Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a blind spot mirror in your car. Now I have this 3R blind spot mirror, which is a round shaped blind spot mirror that I'm going to be installing in my car, which is a Honda City. If you want to purchase the same one, the link to purchase it is available in the video description. Let's get started and open up the box. Now the blind spot mirror is supposed to be installed in the bottom right corner of your side view mirror to show you parts or areas next to your vehicle which are normally not visible in the regular side view mirror. Now in my case there's a car right next to me which as you cannot see in the video, but when I apply this blind spot mirror here, you can see a significant portion of the red car parked right next to me. So that's the blind spot that the blind spot mirror aims to uncover. Now the 3R blind spot mirror comes with two components. You can either have a fixed view installation where you directly apply the mirror using the 3M double tape on the side view mirror, or you can affix the blind spot mirror to this adjustable backing and then apply the backing onto the blind spot or onto the rear view mirror, which allows you to rotate your blind spot mirror to adjust the viewing angle. I recommend this kind of double installation, so because if someone else is driving your car, or if there are more than one people driving the car, the blind spot mirror can be adjusted as per each individual's need. So I'm going to peel off this backing from the back of the mirror. And now I'm going to affix the adjustable portion directly at the back of this blind spot mirror, right in the center, just like that. And now before I peel off the backing from here and affix this to my side view mirror, I'm just going to wipe off my side view mirror to make sure there's no dust or anything left behind when I apply the blind spot mirror. So let's go ahead, let's peel off the backing. And then you simply affix the blind spot mirror at the bottom right corner, just like that. Give it a bit of wiping just to remove any fingerprint stain. And now you can simply move it around to adjust the angle. Now when you keep it like that, you can only see a small portion of the car next to you, but when you turn it to the right, you can see a significant amount of the car that otherwise you would not have seen in your regular side view mirror. This can significantly help reduce the chances of getting into an accident, especially when changing lanes on a highway. So that's how a blind spot mirror helps you out, and that's how easy it is to install it. Repeat the same steps for the left side view mirror of your car as well. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do leave a like. Let me know your feedback in the comments below, and do subscribe to the channel.